Welcome to this episode of our series on artificial intelligence. In this episode, we will be discussing the intersection of AI and big data and how they work together to uncover insights that can help organizations make better decisions and gain a competitive edge. We'll explore the benefits of combining these two powerful technologies, as well as some of the challenges and limitations that come with their use. The relationship between big data and AI is mutually beneficial, where big data provides the input for AI systems to learn from, while AI provides the means to make sense of and draw insights from large complex data sets. The volume, variety, and velocity of big data make it challenging to analyze and extract meaningful insights without the use of AI. By using machine learning algorithms and other AI techniques, big data can be analyzed in real time, which provides organizations with the ability to make data-driven decisions and take timely actions. Moreover, big data helps AI models improve their accuracy and performance by providing large, diverse data sets for training and testing. AI models rely on the quality and quantity of data to identify patterns and trends, which allows them to make accurate predictions and recommendations. Therefore, the combination of AI and big data has opened up new possibilities in many fields, such as healthcare, finance, and marketing, and has enabled organizations to optimize their operations, improve their products and services, and gain a competitive edge in the market. AI plays a crucial role in collecting, processing, and analyzing big data. It provides an automated and efficient solution to handle the sheer volume and complexity of the data generated every day. AI algorithms can be trained to identify patterns, trends, and relationships within the data that may not be immediately apparent to humans. For example, machine learning algorithms can use predictive analytics to forecast future trends and outcomes based on historical data. Natural language processing (NLP) algorithms can analyze unstructured data such as social media posts and customer reviews to understand customer sentiment and preferences. AI can also help automate the process of data labeling, making it easier to build and train models using large amounts of data. In addition, AI can assist in identifying anomalies and detecting potential fraud or security threats in real time, providing organizations with the ability to respond proactively to these threats. Ultimately, the role of AI in collecting, processing, and analyzing big data is to provide insights and intelligence that can help organizations make better informed decisions and improve their operations. The combination of AI and big data can also be used to automate and optimize business processes, such as supply chain management and customer service. By analyzing large amounts of data, AI can help identify patterns and trends that indicate potential issues or opportunities, allowing businesses to make proactive decisions that can improve operations and enhance the customer experience. Another benefit of combining AI and big data is the ability to develop more accurate and effective predictive models. By analyzing historical data and using machine learning algorithms, AI can identify patterns and relationships that can be used to predict future outcomes with greater accuracy. In the healthcare industry, the combination of AI and big data can help improve patient outcomes by providing more personalized and precise treatments. AI algorithms can analyze large amounts of patient data to identify patterns and correlations, helping doctors and researchers develop more effective treatments and therapies. Overall, the benefits of combining AI and big data are vast and far-reaching, with the potential to revolutionize various industries and improve people's lives in many ways. The combination of AI and big data has enabled numerous use cases across various industries. In addition to healthcare, finance, and marketing, AI and big data are also used in transportation, manufacturing, and other sectors. In transportation, AI and big data are used to optimize routes, reduce fuel consumption, and improve safety. In manufacturing, AI and big data are used to improve production efficiency and quality control, as well as predictive maintenance to avoid equipment failure. In the entertainment industry, AI is used to recommend personalized content based on user preferences, behavior, and history. The use of AI and big data is expanding into new areas as the technology continues to advance and more organizations look to leverage its benefits. Although AI and big data offer many benefits, there are also challenges and limitations to using these technologies together. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring the quality and accuracy of the data used for AI training. This is particularly important for machine learning algorithms, which rely heavily on data to improve their accuracy and effectiveness. Another challenge is the issue of data privacy and security. As the amount of data being collected and analyzed continues to grow, the risk of data breaches and misuse also increases. It is important to have proper data governance and security measures in place to protect sensitive information. Furthermore, the complexity of AI algorithms and the lack of transparency can make it difficult to interpret and explain the results generated from big data. This can pose a challenge for organizations that need to justify their decisions and actions to stakeholders, regulators, and the general public. The future of AI and big data is promising, with many new applications and advancements on the horizon. As data continues to grow, AI will become even more critical for making sense of that data and extracting valuable insights. The integration of AI and big data will enable organizations to become more efficient, productive, and competitive. In addition, advancements in AI technology, such as explainable AI and federated learning, will help address some of the challenges and limitations of using AI with big data. These technologies will improve the transparency and interpretability of AI algorithms and ensure the privacy and security of data. Overall, the integration of AI and big data will continue to revolutionize many industries and sectors, creating new opportunities and challenges along the way. And that's a wrap for this episode of our AI series. We hope you found this discussion informative and insightful. As always, please feel free to leave any comments or questions in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest developments in the field of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.